Math Guru RB Mukhya would like to welcome in the tutorial class Optional Math 9. Today we'll discuss on the topic polynomial, and it is the first class of the topic. Question is here: information about polynomial. Dear students, today we'll discuss on the topic polynomial and different parts of the polynomial, different informations regarding the polynomial, and many more. Let's start the topic and informations. Before starting the polynomial, I would like to start from the algebraic terms. Let's start from the algebraic terms. See here, 5x 4x square by 7, 3xy, 7xy z are the algebraic terms. Student, algebraic terms very important to know the polynomials. Without algebraic term, without knowing the algebraic terms, without any information about the algebraic terms, we cannot define, we cannot get sufficient knowledge from the polynomial. We add one more here. This is 4 also. This is also algebraic term. Then what we are getting here? See here, 4 has no any variable. It has also a variable. Any variable we can put here. Suppose x power 0. 4x power 0 and 4 are the same. So let's talk about the degree of algebraic term. See here, this is single variable term and its degree is 0. So degree of this algebraic term is 0 and degree of this algebraic term is 1 and degree of this algebraic term is 2, and here also it is two variable term x and y, so its degree is also 2. What about this 7xyz? Yes, its degree is 3. Let's talk about 3xy. This is an algebraic term. Here if we taking x as variable, then what is the coefficient of x? Coefficient of x is what? Coefficient of x is 3y. Numerical coefficient of x is what? Numerical coefficient. See here, numerical coefficient is 3. Literal coefficient of x is y. Literal coefficient of x is y. It is the coefficient of x, numerical coefficient of x and literal coefficient of x in 3xy condition. Let's start here 3, 5x only. Taking x as variable. What is the coefficient of x is 5. Numerical coefficient of x is 5. Literal coefficient of x is what? Literal coefficient of x is what? It has no literal, it has not any literal coefficient. Means what we have to understand here, numerical coefficient means a number and literal coefficient means alphabet which are with the term. So we discuss about the terms, algebraic terms, different algebraic terms and their coefficient, numerical coefficient and literal coefficients. Student, after this we will talk about the expressions when we combine two or more than two algebraic terms. For example, see here 5 plus x, 2x square plus 1, 3x square plus 2x plus 5, 2xy plus 3, 7x square y minus 2x plus 5 ... All are the combination of two or more than two algebraic terms. Then they are called the algebraic expressions or algebraic expressions. Means you have understood the meaning of terms and meaning of expressions. Let's start the classification of algebraic expressions. Classification of algebraic expressions. See here, first of all, we write one term algebraic expressions. For example, it is 6x, 7x square y, 5x by 4, 7x square by 15. These are the algebraic term, or it is also known as one term expression, single term. They are single term expression. They are single term expressions. Single term expressions. Then if in the algebraic expression there are one term, then they are called monomial. That is why the above expressions are called monomial. Monomial means the algebraic expressions which has one term. Similarly, suppose another type of expressions like 6 plus x, x square plus 2, 2xy plus 5, 7x cube minus 1, many more. When we talk about these expressions, then each and every expression, see here, two terms, here also two terms, here also two terms, and here also two terms. Means all those expressions which has two terms, the algebraic expression which has two terms are binomial. So we'll write here the terms are the these are having they are two terms algebraic expressions. So they are called binomials. Means from here what we can understand, those algebraic expression which has two terms are known as binomials. Let's if there are three terms, then what will happen? Here is 6 plus 5x plus x square and 2x square plus 3xy plus 4 etc etc. This type of these are also algebraic expressions. Here are algebraic expressions. They are three terms. They are three terms algebraic expressions. Three terms algebraic expressions. The algebraic expression which has three terms are called trinomial. So they are trinomials. Means from here what we have understood, those algebraic expression which has single term are binomial, are monomial, and those algebraic expressions which has two algebraic terms are known as binomials, and those algebraic expression which has three algebraic terms are known as trinomials. Student, you got the classification of algebraic expressions. Dear students, if there are more than three algebraic terms in an expressions, then what will happen and what is the name of that expressions we can keep. Let's see here, if there are more than three terms in an expression, that is called polynomial, monomial, binomial, and trinomial. After trinomial, poly means many more terms. So we'll write here one definition here of polynomial, which is very important. An algebraic expression, algebraic expression in which power of variables or variables in each term are a whole number is known as a polynomial. Means what you understood here, polynomials generally if we have more than 3 terms in an algebraic expression is a polynomial. There is a question, if there are 2 terms, that is not called polynomial? Yes, that is also called polynomial, and its special name is binomial. If there are 3 terms, that is not polynomial? Yes, that is also polynomial. Its special name is trinomial. If there is only one term, then what happens? Yes, that is also a polynomial. Its special name is monomial. Student, see here the standard form of polynomial. A0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus dot 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 plus a n x to the power n. See here, it is also an algebraic expression. It is represented in the standard form. A naught means a constant number, a1x is a constant number and variable, a2x a constant number and variable power 2, and in this way a n x to the power n, where a n is not equals to 0 for any n, then it is called is the standard form of a polynomial, and its degree is n, is a n degree polynomial. Means there is a degree of polynomial also. So we can take the many more examples of a polynomial. See here, 2x square plus 3. What is its degree? Degree is 2. 7 x cube y plus 3x cube. What is its degree? Degree is 4. 2x 5 plus 3xy plus 2. What is its degree? Degree is 5. So these are the degree of the polynomial, and you have already got is n degree polynomial. Student, see here, if a1 a naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus dot 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 plus a n x to the power n is a polynomial having a n equals to 0 for every n, then it is known as zero polynomial. It is known as zero polynomial. Means it is very clear, to be zero polynomials, each and every coefficient of the power are 0. This is also 0, this is also 0, this is also 0, this is also 0. Then its value is 0. Then that is called zero polynomial. For example, if here we write here px equals to 0 is called a zero polynomial, and its symbol is 0. See here, by 0 it is denoted. So the symbol of zero polynomial is 0. Here, dear students, you have got the many more knowledge about the polynomial. Finally, I would like to tell you about zero of polynomial. Zero of a polynomial. See here, 2x plus 1 is a polynomial. Fx equals to is a polynomial, and if we put here, this is a polynomial, if we put here, if x equals to 0.5, then f x equals to minus 0.5, then fx equals to 0. Means value of x equals to minus 0.5 makes this whole result is 0. So this is the x equals to minus 0.5 is a 0 of the polynomial here. So minus 0.5 is a 0 of the polynomial fx. In simple language, we can understand the meaning of 0 of a polynomial means the value of variable of the polynomial. Value of variable of the polynomial. So, if we want to here, so we want to show you here 2x plus 6 equals to 0 implies x equals to minus 3. This minus 3 is a 0 of this polynomial. Means 0 of polynomial means value of variable of the polynomial which makes the polynomial 0, or result after putting the value of the variable results become 0, means that is a 0 of the polynomial. Student, today you got much more knowledge about the polynomials, and from definition to the terms and degrees, 0 of polynomial, 0 polynomial, many more informations you have got. Please share with your friends, teach to your friends, and write yourself in your note copy or exercise book. Then only you can decide yourself whether you have understood or not. From this, I want to give a message. The message is, please inform to your friends. Such type of tutorial classes are going on in the YouTube, and it is a different kind of tutorial class. This will give a complete knowledge for each and every learner or students. Hoping you will like it, share it, and subscribe it. Thanks for watching the video.